Hello, guys. This is me, Anushka Sharma. Let me introduce myself and this channel. Actually, I rebirthed this channel for uploading English videos, only English videos, because I want to learn English and I want to develop my skills from zero to advanced, from zero to basic and then advanced. Actually, I made this channel last year in July 2025, and I was so motivated at the time about posting, manifesting things, and I named it Manifest Kar. I uploaded a lot of videos in Hindi language, obviously. I uploaded a lot of videos like how to manifest and all, and but I didn't get a lot of interaction, people interaction, like and views. So I got demotivated and somehow I stopped posting because I also had academic pressure at that time. So I stopped posting on that channel. But yes, again I am motivated, again I am having a lot of enthusiasm in my blood to upload the videos. But this time I will upload videos about English and only English. That's not about grammar. I will not learn or teach grammar. I will focus on just speaking, just like speak. If whether you are speaking wrong, whether you are speaking right, but you have to speak, just speak. So I will not expect a like I will beg for subscribers, I will beg for views. No, this time this channel is for my growth and development. And if you want to join the journey, you can join me, and you can also record your videos, watch yourself, and find your weaknesses and like work on them. As when I was in school, I was good at reading, writing, speaking Englishes, and I also participated in lot of debates. I also used to speak a lot of English. But whenever it comes to speaking currently I am also hesitating because this is my weakness. Whenever I speak like face to face or on camera in English, I didn't get the words in my mind to speak at the moment. I know the vocab, like okayish, my vocab is okayish, but still whenever I try to speak, I didn't get the words on my mind and on my tongue. So this is the way how I decided to improve my speaking skills, because I am pursuing BTech. I'm in fourth year. I'm pursuing BTech in Ghaziabad, and I have this computer science stream. And for basic interviews, I need to speak in English. It's not about English. We all people know English. We know how to speak, but we don't have the confidence to speak. And confidence comes from practice. And what are the ways of practice? Like we are communicating to each other, and if we do not have anyone to communicate, let's speak on the camera, let's post it, let's find your weakness, let's improve yourself. And this is the most suitable way I found to improve myself. And I will be uploading only English videos in which I will speak only and only English. Either they are vlog, either they are random shots, or they are videos. I promise to speak only English, and this promises from me to myself. And the videos are like, if I'm speaking for 2 to 3 minutes on a same topic like Indian economy or Indian YouTube monetization, or any topic. I pick up any topic and speak 2 to 3 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes, and continue to increase the time of speaking with learning new words every day. We can also read English books, we can also watch English movies to improve our English skills. But uh, we need to start. Actually, to reach somewhere we have to start the step one, and step one is always typical. And I want to keep this video as raw as possible, as this is me, and that's all. I have no script in my mind. I'm speaking whatever I'm getting into my mind and into my tongue, because this is the real speaking. This because whenever we have to talk to anyone, we cannot practically possible, it's not practically possible to prepare a script always to talk to anyone. So we want to improve, we want to be raw, and this is my first video. And maybe after 2 or 3 months I'll watch myself where I was and where I am. So I also motivate you that you should also make your videos and upload them, or watch yourself over the screen, watch yourself how you are doing the things, and where what are your weakness and what are your strength, and work on them. So today's words are like, first word is ruthless, RUTHLESS. double S. Ruthless. Ruthless means brutal, cruel. He was so ruthless in killing, or like he robbed them ruthlessly. Ruthless, brutal, cruel, merciless. Okay. Another word is reckless. 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 Reckless means careless. The one who don't care. The one who is lazy. The one who clumsy. मतलब like who don't care. ठीक है? He lost his diary due to his reckless behavior. They walked recklessly in the streets, some kind of that. Okay, that's reckless. Third word is eloquent. Eloquent is the real pronunciation. I searched on Google. Eloquent. 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 Eloquent means expressive, good expression. When you are able to express your words or whatever you are explaining in a good manner, a good explanation, the ability to explain in a well and clear manner is eloquent. And last but not the least, the fourth word I can remember is the one of the most longest word of the vocabulary, that supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Expialidocious. Docious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. You can also speak with me. Try with me. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. That supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, which means extraordinary, amazing. The level of wellness, the level of goodness that cannot be expressive in a short word. That cannot. That super amazing, extraordinary, amazing. Very, very, very nice kind of thing. Okay, when we are appreciating, or when we are uh, appreciating something, or we are like I didn't get the word for tarif. So you can, if you remember the word for tarif, you can just comment. Actually, currently I didn't get the word in my mind. So when we are appreciating someone, and when we are like telling someone's features and qualities, that supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, amazingly good, extraordinary good, and that's it. And if you also want to learn English, just you can subscribe, you can like the video, you can comment whatever you want, and I promise it may add value to your life. You can also try by making a video, checking yourself, trying, and we can practice and we can get anything. As Swami Vivekanand said, you have everything within you. You can do everything and anything. All power is within you. You can do everything and anything. So videos would be like introduction videos, introduction and interviews, and other speaking, like 2 or 3 minute speakings for any topic kind of videos. So thank you so much for watching. Let's call it a day. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.